Hi, everybody. I'm Mr. Quinn. I will be teaching computers for Miss H this fall, and I am super excited. I wanted to give you a little overview on how to use our Blackboard. Whenever you click on our class, you will see the announcements, the 6th grade weekly plan at the top, then the 7th grade weekly plan. And if you scroll down, the 8th grade weekly plan is there at the bottom for you. Each week, these will be updated so that you know what assignments there are and how to turn them in. The welcome page just has my information, how to contact me via email, as well as the welcome letter that you received in your email. Course information includes the syllabus. Each course has a separate syllabus, so please check yours out. Online meeting links are available for students who have to quarantine or isolate only. So if you have to quarantine this year or isolate for reasons that the district or Montgomery County has instructed you, you'll be able to access our class using that link. The calendar won't really be utilized this year, but it is there in case you need to use it. 6th grade links, 7th grade links, and 8th grade links are all there. Click your grade and then take a look through. We'll have a virtual turn-in bin to turn in documents, Google Slides, other presentations. If you have work that is late, you can use the late work turn-in bin. And whenever you need to sign out to go to the bathroom, to go get a drink, I have a virtual sign out pass. That way it's really easy to keep track of. All of your assignments that I have will go under this September assignments document to start, and then it will work its way down throughout. I'll give you an October assignments document when we get there, and so on and so forth. Your first 2 assignments are there. We will be going through them in class. I'm super excited to get started. If you have any questions about Blackboard, you can always email me. My contact information is on the welcome page. It's also on your syllabus. I look forward to a fantastic fall with you. Please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. See ya.